Russell Alexander, welcome. Just barbecuing some dinner here tonight. How to use technology to improve your family law practice. Ran a video about this earlier today with my suit and tie on, realized I said 1998. This conference is actually conducted in 2018. It is put on by the Law Society of Ontario. I've had a lot of colleagues contact me, ask me if they can get a copy of the tape. Lots of people are working from home and having issues with their technology. We contacted the Law Society. They've agreed to re-release the recording of this conference. It's now available at the Law Society of Ontario store on their web portal. They're making it available to everybody for free. Lots of great tips on there. You can learn how to set up your network. You can learn how to market your practice. You can learn how to use technology to enhance the client experience. We had several speakers on. It's a great program. Galbraith and I are doing an updated program over the next few weeks. Look for that online. If you've liked this video or if you have questions about using technology with respect to your family law practice, put them in the box below. We're going to assemble all the questions we get. We're going to do a video and answer everybody's questions, hopefully. If you've liked this video, hit the like sign. You'll see a little bell that shows up. Click that. It'll also give you notice when we got new videos coming out. You can watch those as well. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Be safe and have a good night.